How's everybody doing? My name is Nick. I live in the Catskills, do a lot of working on truck videos. This is Ram 2500, working in the shop. And I do these quick tip videos. And it's basically some information or a tip to save you time or money, or in this case your back. When I was a kid, I could lift up these tires. And now for some reason I'm 45 and I'm starting to not be able to lift them up again. I guess my peak was like 35 and I'm on the down. I'm on the down. So when I was a kid, this is how I picked up heavy tires and rims. It's really a simple trick, and I was just filming for another video and I said, I bet you no one does it like this. So this is how you do it. It's very, I don't know what this thing weighs. It could weigh 100 pounds probably. Between the tire and the rim together, I would say for sure. So this is how I do it. If you're right-handed, you need your right leg. On this side, the driver's side, you put your right leg in front of the tire. Okay? You grab the rim with your right hand. You're going to roll the tire onto your leg, and then immediately you're going to pick it up with you're going to just do this with your leg. And that is going to lift you up enough to get your tire on. And you're going to be able to line it up. And you're going to watch. You know how heavy this is. 295/70 R18. This is a 35-inch tire. If you didn't watch my video on the 35-inch tires are a rip-off, I'll link to that in the description. That's saving a lot of people money. But you know how heavy this is. Picking this thing up and just holding it there and lining something up is almost impossible. So watch. You put your leg here. You roll it onto your leg. It's off the ground now. You see that? It's off the ground. And all you're doing is you move your leg in closer. You line up the lug nuts. That's it. And that's it. And I mean, honestly, you're just doing it with your leg. That's it. You roll it, you pick up your leg, boom, and you drop it right on. You line it up. And all you're doing to line it up is you're moving your leg. And you're just guiding it with your hand. So that's it. Very simple. And I guess now that I'm getting older, I'm going to need that trick. This is the first time I had to do it. I was filming for that other video, and I went to go lift it up. I'm like, yeah, we'll just put this tire. I'm like, oi! And I'm like, what the heck is going on here? And that's it. These things are heavy. I mean, 40-inch. I don't know how 40-inch people do. 40-inch tires? Forget it. All right, everyone. I hope you appreciate that tip. I hope it saves you some pain. I really do. All right. I will catch you later. See ya.